Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Today, we are going to draw a action pose in which a person is delivering a front kick. So, a front kick means that it's like one of those kicks that you see cheerleaders in ball games, like put up the like right vertically. So, it is considered a ballet or a gymnastics or cheerleading pose, but it is at the core of martial arts frontal kick, whereby the foot is like the leg is straight and there will be some foreshortening going around. So we're putting down the frame here, and that is the leg that is going to go up. So thigh as far as that, there's a knee, and there's the shin area and then the calf area, and that'll be the foot going into that oval, nice and big. So the head placement, the collar, the arms, we will all come back to that, and we will do it in a few different ways. But one thing that will remain consistent will be the leg on which the frame is resting. So this leg right here is going to remain stable. Now the placement of the foot doesn't really matter. It could be shown from the front or a little bit to the side, so you could take your pick there. But right here we have the foreshortening going, so the thigh a little almost as long as the lower leg. That is because there is somewhat in the background there from that particular view, and that is the foot and the calf. We're doing the chest and the side of the body right there, which can also remain stable pretty much, except if there's a lot of shoulder movement. So to start off, speaking of the shoulders, we'll start putting the arms in. So one option is this, which is to me the most natural in a martial arts kicking pose like this, because all the effort is going against gravity, and we are pushing down with the elements that are not in exactly being used. So the arms are not in use here except to lend some leverage or balance, and that's why pushing them downward like this, it is a very customary sight to see this pose, and the arms placed that way, and the head normally looking a little downward like this. And then to second option can be the arms placed like this. So somebody with a bigger sense of balance can have the arms placed to the sides in this manner, so foreshortened wrist and forearms, and the hands open like this. So instinctively the hands could be open like that, but they could be fists if there's somebody who's even more well disciplined in delivering a kick like this. Mostly a person who is very flexible and trained up to a certain degree can deliver. So the hands can go in that manner, for if we imagine a person with a very disciplined sense of delivering these kicks. But then there's a third option in which we can stretch the chest outside like that, put the delts up a little bit if you want, and the arms can be outstretched just like so. This is a very customary pose as well in this particular kick. So those are our options, and mainly with the hands, the kick and the placement of the leg remain right where they were. And what we're going to do is also give one more option, and that is in a kung fu sort of way, in a kung fu pose, we have sometimes a martial artist hanging the bottom of the knee, the leg like this. So it's like a preparation to strike pose. So we will just put some marker, some black lines to highlight our primary framework, which was the full frontal kick, and the foot high up right there. And we will round this up. Our choice is the initially placed arms going downward like that. But of course, we could always play around with the other options as well. and whichever is to our liking to best suit the illustration. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch. We put new content almost every day. Please do check it out. Have yourself a wonderful day.